Hello everyone, welcome to the Wonder Garden channel. This is where I share the most natural and effective methods of flower care. Are you wondering how to make your rose pots bloom again, more vibrant and beautiful than ever? Today, I will share with you a method to stimulate roses to bud and bloom brilliantly again. Using only ingredients that seem like waste in the kitchen, but you would never expect. The special thing is that this formula is not only for roses, but you can also apply it to orchids, anthuriums, and many other flowering plants in your garden. If you are a flower lover and want to learn more natural care tips, don't forget to subscribe to the Wonder Garden channel so you won't miss any useful tips. Let's get started. The main ingredient I'll be using today is banana. If you have overripe bananas like these, don't throw them away. They're actually an excellent source of nutrients that can strongly stimulate your plants to bloom. I have created subtitles in multiple languages. Please select your preferred language. Comment below and let me know which country you are watching from. It's amazing that we can connect from all around the world. I'll be using the banana peel as it's rich in potassium, phosphorus, and a small amount of calcium, essential nutrients that help strengthen the plant's resistance, promote budding, and make the flowers bloom more beautifully. After cutting the banana peel into small pieces, I'll place all of them into a clean glass cup to prepare for the next step. Next, I'll use 2 cloves of garlic. Garlic contains sulfur compounds, allicin, calcium, and trace minerals. These act as natural antibacterials that help prevent fungal diseases, protect the roots, and stimulate the growth of new tissues. At the same time, garlic also helps boost the plant's immunity, allowing it to absorb nutrients more effectively and grow stronger. After chopping the garlic into small pieces, I'll add it to the glass along with the banana peels prepared earlier. Finally, to make the fertilizer solution more nutritious, I'll add 2 tablespoons of rice like this. Rice contains plenty of B vitamins, starch, and minerals such as iron, zinc, and magnesium. These nutrients help strengthen the plant's resistance, stimulate root growth, and make the flowers stay vibrant for longer. I'll add the rice to the mixture of banana and garlic prepared earlier, then pour in 500 milliliters of warm water to extract the nutrients. After that, I'll stir the mixture well until the rice starts to soften and the water turns milky white. Finally, cover the container tightly and let the mixture sit for 3 hours so that the nutrients from the banana, garlic, and rice can fully dissolve into the water. After 3 hours, I'll strain out all the solids and keep only the clear, nutrient-rich liquid. This solution is packed with potassium from the banana to stimulate flower bud formation, natural antibacterial compounds from the garlic to protect the roots and leaves, and B vitamins and minerals from the rice to help the plant recover and keep the flowers fresh for longer. To make the fertilizer gentler and prevent nutrient shock for the plants, I'll dilute the extracted solution with 1.5 liters of clean water. Diluting it helps the nutrients absorb gradually and evenly into the soil, allowing the plant to take them in easily without causing root burn or yellowing leaves. And just like that, we've made a batch of homemade liquid fertilizer ready to nourish our plants today. Method 1. For roses. First, I'll pour this solution into a watering can and evenly water it around the base of my rose plants. This natural fertilizer helps loosen the soil, allowing the roots to absorb nutrients more easily. In particular, the potassium and phosphorus from the banana peel help stimulate new bud formation and extend the blooming period. Meanwhile, the natural antibacterial properties of garlic protect the roots from fungal infections, helping the plant recover faster after flowering. If you water regularly, in just a short time you'll notice new shoots emerging, more buds forming, and your roses blooming much more vibrantly. Option 2. Pour the solution into a spray bottle. I'll pour this organic solution into a spray bottle and mist it evenly around the canopy, stems, and the undersides of the leaves. This method provides direct nutrients to the leaves, helping them become glossier, thicker, and stronger, while also enhancing their ability to photosynthesize. Especially when your roses are in the blooming stage, you should avoid spraying too much water directly on the buds or petals, as this can cause them to rot, wilt quickly, and shorten their lifespan. Instead, spray around the foliage and the base of the plant, so it can still absorb enough nutrients while keeping the flowers vibrant and long-lasting. The solution contains potassium and vitamins from banana peels that help stimulate flower bud formation, while the natural antibacterial compounds in garlic help prevent pests and fungal growth. It's best to spray in the early morning or late afternoon, avoiding hot sunny hours to prevent leaf burn and ensure the plant absorbs the nutrients most effectively. Option 2. For orchids. For orchids, I'll use a portion of the diluted solution to wipe the leaves. When doing this, use a soft cotton pad or a clean cloth and gently wipe both the upper and lower surfaces of the leaves. This helps remove dust, bacteria, and mold from the surface while allowing the leaves to absorb light more effectively, thereby improving photosynthesis. The nutrients from banana peel, garlic, and rice are rich in potassium, phosphorus, calcium, and antioxidants, which help the leaves become glossier, thicker, and more resilient. In addition, garlic has natural antibacterial properties that help prevent pests and fungal infections, common causes of leaf rot and weak roots in orchids. When you regularly wipe the leaves with this solution, you'll notice the plant recovering faster, new roots growing vigorously, and after some time, new flower shoots beginning to appear. A clear sign that your plant is in its healthiest growth stage. In addition to wiping the leaves, you can also use this solution to water the base of your orchids. When watering, pour it evenly around the roots, avoiding direct contact with the leaves or crown to prevent water accumulation that can cause rot. The natural nutrients from the banana, garlic, and rice will gradually soak into the growing medium, allowing the roots to absorb them gently and effectively. Thanks to the potassium and phosphorus from the banana peel, calcium from the rice, and the natural antibacterial compounds in the garlic, the roots will grow stronger and healthier, reducing the risk of root rot and yellowing leaves. You can also lightly mist the base of your orchids with a spray bottle. This method helps distribute the nutrients evenly and is especially suitable for orchids grown in bark or with exposed roots, as the solution gradually seeps into the medium and roots without causing waterlogging. The nutrients in the solution, such as potassium, phosphorus, calcium, and natural enzymes, stimulate new root growth, enhance nutrient absorption, and help the plant recover quickly after flowering. After some time, you'll notice healthy white roots, glossy green leaves, and new flower spikes starting to emerge. In addition to roses and orchids, you can also use this solution for anthuriums and lilies. These two plants particularly love the natural nutrients found in banana peel, garlic, and rice, especially potassium, phosphorus, and organic enzymes, which help stimulate consistent blooming and make the flowers more vibrant and long-lasting. For anthuriums, the solution helps the leaves stay glossy, the flower stalks become sturdier, and the blooms grow larger. For lilies, it strengthens the plant's resistance, promotes early bud formation, and helps the flowers bloom fully and last longer. By using it regularly every 2 weeks, you'll soon see your garden become more vibrant and full of life day by day. After being cared for with this solution, the rose pots in your garden will continuously produce new buds, grow vigorous shoots, and bloom abundantly all at once. The flowers appear more vibrant in color, with thicker petals and a noticeably longer blooming time. These bright, radiant blooms are a clear sign that the plant is in a healthy growth phase and ready for the next round of flowering. In just a short time, you'll see your garden filled with colorful blooms and a sweet, pleasant fragrance, a well-deserved reward for your dedicated care. For orchids, after being cared for with this solution for a while, you'll easily notice healthy new roots sprouting and the leaves becoming glossy and full of vitality. Before long, new flower spikes will begin to appear, bringing fresh, radiant blooms. a gentle response to the care and affection you've given them. Be patient and take time each day to observe the small changes in your plants. With just a bit of love and consistency, you'll see new shoots reaching upward and tender buds slowly unfolding, as if the plant itself is thanking you. Every bloom that opens is a well-earned reward for the care and affection you've poured into your garden.